Your belly fat is not the problem, but it is slowing you down. And today, we are ending it. Not gradually, not someday. We are talking about fast, intense, and lasting results. Most people believe fat loss requires endless cardio, long runs, and hours on machines. That belief is completely wrong, because the 5 movements you are about to see can burn more fat in a short session than most people burn in an entire workout. These exercises hit belly fat from every direction. They trigger powerful fat-burning hormones, and they turn your body into a calorie-burning engine even after you stop training. Let us start. Number 1. Kettlebell swing, one of the most overlooked fat-burning tools on the planet. When performed correctly, this single movement can burn close to 20 calories per minute. That means you can burn hundreds of calories in a short time without going anywhere. And the real advantage comes after the workout. Your metabolism stays high for hours. This is the afterburn effect, where your body continues burning fat even while resting. But most people make mistakes with this exercise. So focus here. Place the kettlebell slightly ahead of you. Stand wider than your hips. This movement is not a squat, it is a hip hinge. Push your hips back. Keep your chest lifted. Keep your spine neutral. Grab the kettlebell firmly. Pull your shoulders back. Activate your lats. Swing the kettlebell back between your legs, then drive your hips forward explosively. Your arms are just guides. The power comes from your hips. If your lower back feels strained, your technique needs correction. Fix it, and the fat loss will accelerate. Number 2. Jump rope. The activity many people stopped doing years ago might be the one your belly fat struggles against the most. 10 minutes of jump rope can burn as many calories as half an hour of jogging. It also increases mitochondria, helping your body burn fat more efficiently even at rest. The biggest mistake is jumping too high. You only need small, quick hops. Turn the rope with your wrists, not your shoulders. Keep elbows close to your body. Stay tall. Find a steady rhythm. Begin with 30 seconds of jumping and 10 seconds of rest. Progress slowly. Your coordination improves, your breathing gets challenged, and belly fat starts disappearing. Number 3. Deadlifts. Yes, that movement. The one people avoid. The one that looks heavy and intimidating. But deadlifts build more lean muscle than almost any other exercise, and muscle increases fat burning. The metabolic boost can last up to 2 days. Your body keeps burning calories even while sleeping. Set up properly, feet under hips, bar over mid-foot. Push hips back. Bend knees just enough to reach the bar. Grip it firmly. Brace your core. Pull shoulders back. Keep your spine flat. Drive through the floor. Let hips and chest rise together. Stand tall and squeeze your glutes. Lower the bar with control. Start light. Learn the movement. Then build strength over time. Number 4. Sprints. Humans are designed for long movement, but also for explosive effort. Sprinting activates your most powerful fat-burning system. One sprint workout can burn more fat than long, slow cardio sessions in much less time. Research shows sprint intervals can lead to significantly greater fat loss than steady cardio. Always warm up first. Light jogging. Dynamic leg movement. Open your hips. Beginners should sprint for 10 to 15 seconds at around 80% effort. Walk to recover. Repeat 4 to 6 rounds. Quality matters more than quantity. Number 5. Burpees. The exercise everyone loves to hate, and one of the most effective movements for fat loss. Burpees activate nearly every major muscle group. Drop down. Kick your legs back. Perform a push-up. Jump your feet forward. Explode upward. Your heart rate climbs instantly. Your muscles stay active the entire time. Try 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest. Repeat for 8 rounds. That is 4 minutes. Increase the time if you want a serious challenge. Burpees attack belly fat while preserving muscle. That means you get leaner without getting weaker. Here is the reality. Belly fat does not disappear through slow, comfortable workouts. It goes away through intensity, focus, and repetition. Through movements that force adaptation. Exercises that challenge your lungs, your muscles, and your mindset. Kettlebell swings, jump rope, deadlifts, sprints, burpees. Learn them, practice them, stay consistent, and belly fat will not survive. This is Phantom Core. Train with purpose, push your limits, and build strength that lasts. See you next time.